In related news, Vice President Sara Duterte says she has already selected her running mate for the 2028 elections. She says the person she has chosen to be her vice president will be the one to hold those who committed wrongdoing against the Philippines accountable. Paul Montibon reports.
Vice President Sara Duterte has confirmed that she has recruited a potential running mate for 2028 presidential race. In an exclusive interview with SMNI, Duterte said she first approached the individual last year but declined to identify the person for now.
Nirecruit ko siya last year pa. Kaso, wag na muna natin yan pag-usapan. Protektahan natin yung tao hanggang sa makapag-desisyon siya kung anong gagawin niya sa karera niya.
Duterte also addressed concerns that she could become vindictive if elected president, particularly at a time when Philippine politics remains deeply polarized. She insisted that being vindictive is not in her character.
Wala kasi sa ugali ko yung pagiging vindictive, gumaganti. Kung makikita niyo sa governance ko, noong ako ay mayor ng Davao City, tumanggap din, nung kampanya, tumanggap din ako ng sobrang katakot-takot na banat mula sa naging katunggali ko at the time bilang mayor candidate. Pero nung ako ay umupo, tapos na yun lahat nung nangyari nila, ng banat nila sa kampanya, lahat ng sinabi nila, wala na yun.
VP Sara also pointed out that during her time at the office of the Vice President, she did not speak ill of former Vice President Leni Robredo. She said many OVP personnel were appointees of Robredo, but she did not remove them from their posts. Instead, she said she wanted to continue and highlight the legacies of previous vice presidents. However, Vice President Duterte clarified that although she is not vindictive, she believes that those who committed wrongdoing against the country must be held accountable.
Hindi pwede na walang managot. Yung nire-recruit ko na Vice President, siya ang magpapanagot sa mga gumawa ng mali sa bayan. Para ako, nakatutok ako sa trabaho ng presidente.
For Ghana, my beloved country, the Philippines, reporting for Newsline World, this has been Paul Montibon, SMNI News.